Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie and I'm an artist, and I'm back with another video. This time, instead of watercolor, this is actually a combination of watercolor and gouache, so let's get started. So this will be a short video, and it was just to show you my process if you were curious on doing the first layer in watercolor and the next layers in gouache. So this is basically what I have done in this painting, and it was when I was transitioning between the two mediums, so I was not as familiar with gouache, so it kind of gave me a good stepping stone. So for all those watercolorists out there who want to transition to trying out gouache too, you could try this out to see if you like gouache or not. I found that it was beneficial for me, and eventually I just used gouache after that, but it was really nice to see, and it's such a different effect when you do that. My current gouache paintings is just solely gouache that I used, and here you could kind of see little hints of watercolor, so it's kind of a really nice experimental painting that I've done. So here is me taking off the tape and giving the reveal, and it's one of my favorite parts because you get to see the clean lines. So I thank you so much for watching. I'm going to try to do longer videos for you, so I'm hoping that you all have a great week and take care. Bye.